Hi guys! This is my hottest friend, Michaela. Hey guys, it's Brielle
and Michaela.
We had a barbecue for Memorial Day at Michaela's house, and she's newly vegan.
What's up?
What's up? We're just gonna show you guys what we ate because it's fun to be vegan at a barbecue. Okay, when we first got there, you were eating bean dip.
Yep.
Bean dip, which is like bean dip and
Layered bean dip with beans, guacamole, tomatoes,
Yeah.
olives.
like little jalapeno things.
Yeah.
So yeah, and watermelon
Mm-hmm.
and some like mango salsa thing
Yep.
that my mom made.
Mm-hmm.
With like, just like pita chips and tortilla chips, and then we had veggie burgers.
Mm-hmm.
Legit.
With
On the grill
avocado.
with avocado and
roasted
buns.
potatoes.
Yes.
And corn on the cob.
And corn
With butter.
with butter. And then later we're gonna have Ben and Jerry's peanut butter and cookies.
That is the shit.
The best. Hope you guys, get some inspiration from this and go vegan at your next family party. Thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, rate, retweet, follow, save.
Follow for follow.
Carve the fuck up! Bye guys! Zoom in. Look at that. That looks lit. It's literally lit.
It's lit.